My ESR wheels are finally in. We finally got them installed. These look beautiful. So I got the Hyper Silver. They're 9.5 wide in the front, 18 by 9.5 in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear. And as you can see, they are stretched. In the front, I'm running 215. Look what I did in the back. In the back, as you see, I'm running 225s. You can see the lip on those. Them tires are stretched, but I love how they look on this color. We didn't fully slam it for daily driven purposes, but boy, does my car look nice. It needs a wash, but it still looks nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They're much wider in the back. 10.5 in the back. Little poke stance. I'm gonna see how they drive. Still haven't driven them yet. We just installed it. Got these from Fitment Industries. The only thing I don't like is that on this specific wheel, they're supposed to be directional, and they put this wheel backward. So this is supposed to go on the right side, but as you see, we already have the right side on, and that's the correct one. So they gave us two right side. We just need to rotate the tires. It's the only complaint I have, but it looks really nice. Beautiful, beautiful as heck. Really happy with how they came out. About to test drive it here. We're about to go on a little cruise. I'm gonna take the Z out, BRZ, Q50, maybe one of the RX-8s back there. But I love it. Love it. After a long day, we are done with the car washes and everything. Miguel had to leave. Brought the car here to my dad's garage. I'm gonna switch it out for the lug nuts that I ordered, the aftermarket ones, because those are the stock ones for the wheels right here. So I have the aftermarket ones here, but before I end the video, let me show you what came with the wheels. So, Fitment Industries. Oh shoot. Fitment Industries. So they just send you basically a thank you letter, where to follow them, things like that. And then, I think I misplaced it, but they also send you a decal that looks just like this. Not that I'm gonna put it on my car, but it's just pretty cool. And then they send you a wheel cleaning kit. All right, so rubber renew, vehicle wash to wash your car, and then metal polish to wash the rims. They're all bottles, and the bottle also comes with this nozzle right here. Okay, so I got the lug nuts. I opened them up here. These are the aftermarket chrome lug nuts. I also got them for Fitment Industry. So here's how that looks compared to the stock lug nuts in the Subaru car. So of course these are gonna be longer, safer to take out. And then these are gonna be more chrome, looks nicer. That's pretty much it. So, got my wheel cleaning kit, aftermarket lug nuts, chrome, and we're about to put them on the car right now. And then came to my trunk real quick. I'd also bring these two scrubs, so you can scrub the products in, and then a bunch of microfiber towels. So it comes with it too. And one final thing, so these ESRs were actually not my first choice in wheels. I actually had another choice in wheels. They were from Cosmos, and the first choice in wheels that I had, the Cosmos ones, they were out of stock on Cosmos, they were out of stock on Fitment Industries, they were out of stock everywhere online. So basically they gave me my money back for that, and then they told me to go with the second option. For the inconvenience, they gave me a whole wheel cleaning kit that on their website runs for I think $70 to $100, and it's a whole cleaning kit for the car. So this also brings slightly bigger vehicle wash. This comes with liquid wax, paint sealant to protect your paint, metal polish, another one for the wheels, also the rubber renew for the tires, and then this one comes with detail spray. And then this one's gonna come with two nozzles. You can get the whole carbon cleaning kit. Like I said, for about like $70 to $100. They sent me mine for free because of the inconvenience. So basically all these are the things I got with the wheels. I'm very happy with the wheels so far. Today we went out on a photo shoot after the car wash. The pictures are gonna be on Instagram here soon, but very happy with the wheels.
Thank you for watching. This has been Faith Driven, where we only drive exotic vehicles. But we gotta go slowly because then the woman in the back